Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, welcome back if you've been here before. In this video, I'm doing the illusion braid pattern. Now, I've done this before. If you follow me, you kind of know that I've done this before. But the last ones that I did, there were way too many braids. It was too fat, I would say. It wasn't, it was too, not too many braids, but too less. That's what I should have said. It wasn't enough. They weren't small enough. They were too fat. So I decided to do smaller sections this time. And it took about, I'll say about an hour and 15 minutes for me to do. I did about 35 minutes. I did the front first, and then you'll see where there's an outfit change. But actually what I did was I just did it earlier in the day. I went and worked out, and once I came back, took a shower, then of course I changed clothes, and I did the last half of it. So I would say about an hour and 15 minutes total to do this braid pattern, because I wanted to braid a little bit smaller, have skinnier braids, because I am going to style it differently than I did the last crochet style. All right, so you just kind of see me going in with the comb, and of course I'm using the neat braid. Now this is about $15 to $17 jar, and when I tell you it's the best braiding gel ever, it really makes those parts neat, because parting is very important when you're doing a illusion braid pattern. And the sections are so much neater, and the hair just lays down. I mean, it just lasts forever. I'm 3 weeks into wearing this style that was created from this braid pattern, but of course this video in itself is 19 minutes long with just the braid pattern, because I'm showing the detail of every section. Even like right now, I'm showing how I just take the first section and I just start braiding it halfway down, and then you're gonna see me go in the next section and connect the braids to make this an illusion type of effect. That just really works. This is one of my now go-to styles when I'm crochet braiding. So I feel like I'm servicing these videos like I like to look at them, because when I look at a lot of you guys videos that have braiding or natural hairstyles, I want to see the detail. I want to see how you do that section. How did you pull this apart? And so I feel like if I am that type of onlooker, that type of customer, then let me be the one that shows that same detail. Fast forward if you want. If you're not really into details like that, you can kind of look at something and go, that's on you. But I'm definitely going to show the detail of every part of what I'm doing. So it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. It's just very detailed. And you're just pretty much doing the same thing. Now, I did not go, I don't know if you noticed, but I did not go a complete 4 sections, like right behind my ear, this section in the front. I didn't do that. I went a little bit back, because I'm going to have the braids connect in the back for 3 bigger braids. And that's where the majority of my hair will be. And you'll kind of see how I'll connect that. But I needed more of the hair braided in the pattern before I start connecting it in the back. So of course I'm showing all of this up front and personal, and you'll be able to see that. So I think that's enough of me setting up how I did the style. Like I said, it's pretty easy, and you'll see how I do every single section and how I allow the parts to really play an important role. Well, all right, I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video without me talking, and thanks for watching and enjoy.